Moore's law, big data, enhanced computing, the Internet of Things. All these cool sounding buzzwords form a big part of conversations and are the latest hype when it comes to technology in the 21st century. A combination of these has in current times established the perfect environment for both the development and the study of artificial intelligence or AI. Good morning. My name is Karan Kashyap and I am from grade 9 of the Sri Ram School of Ravali. Today I am speaking about artificial intelligence and the case for its further propagation. Now with the help of this talk, I hope to inform you all about what AI can help man to do in the future. And I also hope that you will all begin to think about man's hidden potential that can be unlocked with the use of AI. Now at a personal level, my interaction with the subject began some time back when I was in conversation with my father, who's currently working in the tech industry. His stories and ideas intrigued me and got my interest peaked on the whole underlying topic of AI. We were discussing some interesting innovations that his organization was pursuing, like identifying focus cures for specific strains of cancer through complex but rapid gene sequencing, keeping in view previous cases and treatments. Sounds complicated, right? Now that's where the entire concept of artificial intelligence and machine learning comes in. Because with the deployment of AI and machine learning, we can greatly improve and increase the efficacy and speed of delivery of correct medication. So the first question that comes to mind is a fairly basic one. What is AI? AI refers to the artificial creation of human-like intelligence that can learn, reason, plan, perceive, or even process natural language. A critical component in the current advancements being made in AI stem from a concept known as machine learning. While algorithms developed by programmers form the building blocks of the advanced digital world we live in today, in machine learning, learning algorithms and not a block of code create the rules. This enables an AI-empowered device to continuously learn itself using the data that it processes without any step-by-step instructions from the programmer. Now, some more interesting innovations that my father's organization was pursuing were enhancing a customer's store buying experience by layering analytics of past purchases along with current product availability in the store. This was to be achieved with the help of certain mobile AI devices like smart glasses, connected tablets, etc. Yet another example was helping an organization to improve its ability to match peak demand opportunities with their supply chain logistics, along with intelligent product tracking. Now, AI has received increased attention in recent years, and innovation made possible with the help of the internet has brought AI closer to our everyday lives than ever before. It is truly a technology that could be a new engine for economic growth. The field was founded on the claim that human intelligence could be so precisely described that even a machine could be made to simulate it. So the case for AI is fairly simple then. Its uses and applications are essentially infinite, and thus its ability to increase productivity and efficiency and thereby enhance economic growth is massive. And it is a technology that could change the world for the better. Possible areas of use include self-driving cars, smart assistants, speech recognition, fraud detection, and better quality of life for the disabled, to name a few. Despite these amazing opportunities that AI presents, there's good reason for concern and necessary care. AI is a technology, like most others, that comes with a plethora of challenges, including accountability, transparency, data quality and bias, and displacement of human workers, to name a few. At the same time, AI will also impact the way in which people perceive and use the internet, as concerns on openness, data quality and bias, safety, etc. would rightly emerge. Understanding the opportunities along with the challenges posed with AI is critical to developing an internet that people trust and are willing to use. This is so because the internet is key for the technology behind AI and is the main platform for its deployment. Challenges that need to be addressed now include data quality and bias. lack of governance, safety and security, inability to understand the working of an AI agent, etc. Now, due to the lack of knowledge and awareness on this subject, the commonplace notion is that letting AI prosper will lead to evil robots like this eventually taking over the world. However, with the use of certain simple measures, each of these potential challenges can be addressed effectively, and thus the benefits do actually outweigh the challenges. We must keep in mind that we are the ones who develop the machine learning algorithms, and thus it is very easy for us to impose certain restrictions and boundaries. Some measures that can be taken include ensuring governance, maintaining some form of ongoing monitoring, ensuring that the public has a basic understanding of AI-enabled services, and maintaining public safety. Now before I end, I would like to talk about Google. Google recently released their free-for-all course on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I began to take part in this course, and it has taught me about the various different ways in which artificial intelligence can help man in the future. Simultaneously, it also increased my belief in the fact that if ethical considerations are taken into play, and if there is some form of regulated supervision, AI can be developed as a technology that will help man in the future and will take him to new heights. Given all that we have discussed, AI has moved to the forefront of policy debates across the world. While it is a technology that can help man, it comes with many challenges that need to be addressed now in order to support its positive future. It is imperative that all stakeholders, including businesses, members of society, policymakers, and governments, participate in the debate around AI so as to proactively tackle the challenges that it poses. Simultaneously, they also need to ensure that opportunities regarding AI remain available and that they remain open, so that as humans, we do not impose a third AI winter upon ourselves. Thank you.